Hi everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to show how we can use horizontal type tool, vertical type tool. These two options, okay? So based on this tool, these two tool option, we can bring that our text in the document, okay? This is one of the common frequent tool everyone using the Photoshop. I'll show that how we can use and what are the options available, how we can implement those options okay, when you're designing certain banners or design, okay? Let's come to first tool, okay? Horizontal type tool. I will try to just show. It's very simple, okay? I just click here. So see when you're clicking here, you can see that um, option to type to text. Okay, I'm just type welcome. See when I'm typing the text, you can see the default color will be captured based on that option from the option panel, pick panel, color panel. Okay, see text color. Okay, you can change the color also. Okay, I will show how you can do. Okay, so now we done that. Now I type this text. Okay, now I'm going to make finish this one just as I told before. Control enter. Okay, now we done. So now we can see in the option panel. So option means this is the option. Okay, in this option we can see what are the options available for to modify that text. Okay, these are default primary options. I think you know that some font, what is the style, what is the size, what type of text, whether it's strong or smooth like that. We can select this all option. Okay, just I will show that. Okay, this is the Verdana. You can change another format, another font also. I try to bring some bold. Okay, take example this one. Okay, font size. You can select this font size. So just click here. You can now done. Okay, control plus zoom. See, this is the actual document size. We can see now. Okay, apart from what are the options available, I'll show it. Okay, you can see left alignment, then central alignment, right alignment. When you're clicking here, I will show what is the option for this one. Uh, Okay, first we done this one. So now we have another option will be there. Okay, character. Okay, so this is another one common option to modify that your text different format, different angle, whether it's caps or lower, everything, all option, whether left alignment, right alignment, everything will be there. Okay, so same option, whatever you are seeing that option, but here we have a lot of option available. Okay. We can set the font style, then this one. Uh, I'll show one by one. So what are the primary options we can use as a beginner when you want to learn certain thing? Okay, so there's a font size. Okay, uh, you can see this that font text width in between. Almost I'm giving 120. See, it's extended. So this is a horizontal width. I'm just giving 200 something. See how it is done. Okay, we can see italic option. This is uppercase. The sentence case. Okay, sentence case with a caps lock. Okay, uh, so likewise we have a lot of options will be there. Okay, underline everything. Just you can do practice for yourself. Everything straightforward. Okay, and also one more option will be there. Okay, just click Control T. So it's transform. So here you can directly increase your text. You can decrease your text as well. Okay, just enter it. Now I'll move. Now I'll show another some examples. Okay, I'm selecting this. Okay. I don't want this. So now take example. This is our document. Okay, moving some place, any place. Okay. So take example. Now you want to make this text as a central alignment in the document. How are you going to do? Most of the people, what will do? They will just select. They'll drag some approximate. They will keep here. But we don't know exactly whether to place or not. But we have option available in that Photoshop. Okay. So in this case, just select your text. Select your layer. Layer means which document you want to be in that central. Which document you want to make use, okay, to place your text in the central form. Okay, center. Okay. See, when I'm selecting this one, you can see top alignment, center, bottom. bottom you can see in the document it's bottom. Okay, now I'm clicking center. So whatever we done, it's a vertical center. Okay, now we want horizontal center. See, we have nearest we can have another option, horizontal center. That's all. See, now we are in the exact place. We put the text in the center place on the document. See, I'm control minus. Then I'll show another example also. So now we done based on that entire background. Some case you are designing certain thing. I'll show just simple example. I'm creating one rectangle. I'll create new layer. Done. So these are one layer. Okay, so now you want to play this text. Okay, I'll scroll down. We are here. So now you want to place this text, okay, as a center in this in the rectangle. Okay, how are you going to do? I'll just reduce this one. Okay, very simple. No need to do any manual drag and drop. Just as I told before, just select the text, select the corresponding layer. You can see the options are enabled. So vertical center, horizontal. So now done. Okay, now we done this one. Okay, and also we have another option. You can make lock this two layer. Okay, if you always, so if you are defining this two is always uh, corresponding link with text and document text and the background the rectangle layer mean just you can make lock. It's mean that see you are locking this both. Sometime what happen when you're doing some other work, maybe this alignment will be changed. So in this case, if you lock, it will not. We can't touch anything. If you want to do anything, you need to make unlock. We can do it. Okay. Okay. I hope you like this today session, quick tutorial. Okay, it's something look like basic concept. Okay, I will show in upcoming video how effectively we can play with text. Okay. Okay. Hope you like this tutorial today. Please subscribe my channel. Okay. Thanks all. Bye.